Hello everyone, this is Dr. Aditya Gupta, currently a DM resident Pediatric Oncology, having completed my MD in Pediatrics from AIIMS Delhi and my DM in Pediatric Oncology again from AIIMS Delhi.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Divya Madan. I have completed my MBBS and MD in Pediatric Medicine from SMS Medical College, Jaipur. And today we have an amazing news to share with you all.
Very soon, in the next few days, we are going to launch DocTutorials, NEET SS and AIIMS SS, basically aimed at pediatric AIIMS SS and NEET SS preparation. It's going to launch very soon. It includes Qbank, it includes test series, it includes video lectures, which ensure that your preparation for NEET SS, AIIMS SS, and as Divya talked about, even your MD exit exam or the MD exit exam is thoroughly done in a proper systematic manner.
Both of us, with our combined knowledge from our previous attempts as well as the knowledge of Dr. Vishnu, who has done his MD in Pediatric Medicine from the prestigious PGI Chandigarh, has cumulatively designed this course.
We have designed this course, as we talked about, to keep in mind your needs, and at the same point of time, we are going to provide you with personal mentorship so that at each step of way, we are with you, be it any need that you have at this point of time. This course includes all the pediatric subspecialties, be it genetics, be it neonatology, be it oncology, hematology, neurology, gastroenterology, you name it. Video lectures covering each and every aspect of Nelson, Ghai are included in the package. Along with that, you are also going to have test and discussion video and elite test series. Along with that, soon we are also going to launch the quick revision program for those who are short on time but want to revise. So what are you waiting for? Just as soon as the course gets launched, subscribe to it, enjoy the content, make us a part of your preparation, and let's see you on the other side. Thank you and have a nice day.